I never made it, but I know.
Hey guys, it's Vale Vivienne's Adventures. Today we are going to be unboxing Discovery.
Yep.
This set is about putty create.
And what's mine?
This set is about squishy chemistry. So there's two different sets. There's millions of sets, but we're going to be unboxing this one today.
Yep.
So let's start unboxing.
I'm far away from Earth and I wanna know if you exist. Mission control, do you read me? Send me my coordinates lately. Mission control, am I drifting? Tell me to someone who will love me. Yeah, wait. I think I'll last a bit longer. Fine. Another reason to breathe this air. And now we made for ourselves. This won't be the last time. I've never in my life ever seen the sky light up like this. I'm far away from Earth and I wanna know if you exist. Mission control, do you read me? Send me my coordinates lately.
These are pigments. They're usually supposed to be put in slime, but you can put them in anything. They're supposed to like dye your slime. They put a lot of color in them. So here is what it came with. So it came with yellow pigment, blue pigment, pink metallic pigment, and then purple metallic pigment. I think they're all metallic. I don't know. This is like a pearl finish, and then
Okay.
I don't know what
Struggle
this
here.
one is, but it looks
Panel.
like I
Panel.
don't know what color this
I
one
don't know
is.
what Dad says, but he says it all the time.
Okay, so I'm going to
Oh,
take out
it's
that.
a jelly. Just kidding.
Okay.
I'm just kidding.
These are all the putties.
Ooh.
There are 6 normal putties. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Okay, I haven't even.
6.
Oh,
And
this,
then this
yeah.
is the only one. Well, there is 6
Look,
putties,
jelly,
but this is
right?
the only one that is color changing.
That's because it's glow in the dark. Wait.
Okay, now Vivian's gonna tell you what she got.
Wait,
in her
I'm not
set.
ready yet.
You're not okay. Well, then
Still
we'll wait.
cutting here. Still cutting here. What are you looking at me for?
Well, I'll just say what my caption says. Okay, so it comes with mega powders. It comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Oh,
6 mega powders, and
oops.
yeah, the glitter packs,
Oh,
and then
something. I thought it was this. That's why.
mix and make putties, so you can make whatever you want with this putty. I think it's gonna be fun to do these. So I'm gonna tell you what Vivian's thing has to say. So Vivian's is squishy chemistry. So let's go ahead and look at her poster. Her poster has all these facts on them.
This can't work. Wait, I just ripped it. Oops. Oh. Oh. Congratulations, Vivienne. That's me.
This?
Wait, Vivienne.
So, and this is a squishy brain.
Don't
It's
tell him. Just kidding.
It's not.
I don't even know what that
It's
is.
not a real squishy brain because brains are not even that color, but it's. I think it's like kind of slime or something.
Brains have colors. I'm just kidding, but an ugly color.
Wow. Okay. So her kit
I don't wanna
includes a
cut.
squishy brain, forming tray, slimy glue, paint, sodium
Oh my god.
carbonate.
It's my
I
favorite
don't know
color.
what that says, but and then
Maybe it's
calcium chloride.
Yeah, it's
And then
glue.
squishy activator.
Activator.
And then
Wait, you just said
pipette.
activator and I said activator. Doesn't make any sense. What's the pain for? What's the pain for?
probably to color your slime.
I don't want to.
Okay.
This is sand. And you can never eat this stuff. Promise.
Yeah, we're gonna need instructions.
These sticks are meant for nothing, I guess.
Oh no. Whoops.
Pennywise, I'm coming for you. Just kidding. Look, I do a really good. Come little children, look up from the sky because I'm coming to eat you. If you're children,
A
I'll
medium.
eat you. You look delicious.
Wait, so you gotta get a mixing bowl, Vivienne. A medium-sized mixing bowl.
Oh,
not
it's
included. Sprinkles and whisk and.
This is my
That's a
mixing
bummer.
bowl.
No,
Okay,
you gotta get a medium-sized mixing bowl.
I can really do it.
Go get it.
I dropped it.
it.
I paid.
Okay. Oh,
Is
you
everything?
made a bigger Oh no! 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 No!
You know your
The pigment.
your glitter.
Somebody. No.
Your glitter. Glitter.
Oh no!
Wait, that's a beautiful color, by the way. It's a beautiful color.
Okay.
My favorite song is... Wait. Well, I forgot what it was called. Let me go tell my mom.
Cradles.
Yeah, Cradle. It's a really good song. Sorry, just had to close the door.
Okay, so I finally put in all the mixing powder, and this is how it turned out. The very pearly pink with a lot of glitter. So now we're gonna add more glitter.
Oh my god. Oh my god, are you evil or something? Are you Pennywise? Because I am. And I eat the grown-ups too because I can see them in season 3.
She's way too
Evil.
dark. She's way too dark for her age.
You tell me. No, I'm not.
Okay, so we're gonna open the white glitter
What's
for
the
this one.
scissors for?
Oof.
For
Oof.
you? I'm kidding.
If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe, hit that notification bell, and have a nice day.
And I know you wanted to see my experiment, but I couldn't do it because it was too hard. But Jerry wants to say bye. Bye. Okay, bye.